Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I'm going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The AOC laptop computer, 15.6, full HD IPS display laptop with N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz work laptops, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB, SSD laptop business computer, light and thin, metal shell, webcam, Type-C USB 3.0.2, earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the AOC store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item: high-performance laptop. This AOC laptop powered by N95 processor frequency up to 3.4 GHz turbo frequency. Performance is much higher than Celeron N5095, Pentium N5030 and 195 built-in 16 GB DDR4 and 512 GB SSD and an integrated core graphics GPU, laptop pre-installed with system. Its fast and reliable performance can easily handle documents, web browsing, and more powerful multitasking and other tasks, work and play at the same time. 16 GB DDR4, 512 GB SSD, effortless multitasking. This AOC laptop computer with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB M.2.2.280 SSD. AOC laptops that allows you effortless handle multiple tasks simultaneously without any lag. M.0.2 SSD providing massive storage while offering high-speed data transfer speeds of up to 2.14 GB per second. WIT for faster multiple application loading and swift file transfers. That doesn't slow down even when handling large files or resource-intensive tasks, making your work more convenient. Rich and complete connectivity ports. This AOC laptop's computer designed with USB 3.2 Gen 1 2x2, USB 2x1, Type-C Data X1, Type-C X1D, Jack TF card socket X1 3.0.5 mm, headphone jack X1, HDMI X1, external displays or projectors effortlessly using the HD port. It also features Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5 capabilities. With this connectivity-rich laptop PC, it empowers you to connect seamlessly with various devices and transfer data swiftly. Enhance your quality of life and productivity. 15.6 FHD IPS screen. This AOC laptops come with 15.6 1080p FHD IPS screen, 16:9 ratio, and FHD resolution, ensures sharp word and detailed imagery. 4mm ultra-narrow bezel and 90% screen-to-body expand screen, displaying more content, providing a comfortable visual experience and higher efficiency in browsing web pages or documents, making it ideal for multimedia consumption, video editing, student, and content creation. Built-in front webcam above the screen frame video calls at any time. AOC Worry Customer Service. This metal-clad portable laptop weighs just 3.7 pounds and measures 0.72 inches thick, will easily slip into backpack. With 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, enjoy hours of uninterrupted usage, whether you're working, study, or on the go. 180 degrees hinge makes it easy to share. AOC laptops undergo a 724H machine test before shipment to ensure that each rack can function perfectly. Enjoy worry usage with a 1-year and round-the-clock customer service. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is build quality that lasts. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.